decided to go ahead and up the boost level. Now, what is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We've had this car done for a little while, and a few videos back I kind of went over everything with the car, but we built the car and the customer asked if we minded putting the break-in miles on the car. So it took us a little while to get the break-in miles on the car. We did offer to send the car down to him, let him drive it around, and then send it back. He asked if we would just keep it that way. When we were done with it, he could take delivery of it and not have to worry about anything. Today we're going to talk about this car. Now, I have talked about it in a previous video, kind of went over a few things for you guys, but we're going to go over everything again in this video, and then of course get to the dyno footage for you guys. So this car came to me pretty much in pieces, guys. The engine was out of it, the transmission was out of it, totes and bags full of parts and bolts and everything, pretty much disassembled. But I've had these cars apart so much, I knew where everything went, so wasn't a huge deal. It is a minor inconvenience when you don't take apart the car and you go to put everything back together. You might be missing some stuff, and we were, so we had to go through and order a couple things. But however, we got the car all put together for them, and we got the mileage put on it that the engine builder asked for, and got it broke in, switched it over E85, and then got it on the dyno for you guys. So a quick rundown really quick. This is a built engine from RPG. It has a 5.2 liter block, Coyote crank, forged rods, forged pistons. It has Frankenstein CNC ported heads. It has the H2 comp cams in it. It also has the O-rings for the exhaust ports. Something new to me, but I kind of like it. We did install a Gen 5 3-liter Whipple that came with the car also, and it does have a 3.5 pulley on it. Now, it does have an ATI balancer that was installed by RPG also, but it is a stock size balancer. It's not oversized. Now, we did install a Fore fuel system on the car as well, and then we also, since the transmission is already out of it, we took the transmission up to Certified Performance and had their trans builder build the transmission for us to be able to handle the power that the car is going to be putting down. We also installed a carbon fiber drive shaft as well as a set of G-force axles in the car. I mean, if you look at the car came to me with Willwood brakes on it, front and rear. I mean, the owner has spared no expense when it comes to this car. Anyway, guys, so we got everything done for them. We got the engine broke in, we got it switched over to E85, we was able to go wide open throttle and put it on dyno. So the car put down 832 horsepower. That was SAE correction factors with a 3.5 upper pulley in 6th gear on a Mustang dyno with the E85, tuned by Wengerd Performance, of course. And so why is the car still here? Well, if you can see right there, the customer decided that he wanted more horsepower than the 832 and decided to go ahead and up the boost level. Now, there's a 3.5 Griptec on it now. What did the customer send us? Well, this little guy right here that can pretty much fit, it does fit with room into the 3.5 pulley. This is a 2.75 pulley. All right, we are back and we have the 2.75 pulley on the car. So we're gonna see what kind of horsepower it makes today. Leave your comments down below, do not cheat. Let me know what you think it's gonna make with this combo. All right, so as you see in the video, we put down 959 to the wheel. Now, it was very interesting to see. I've always been told that you will add around 25 horsepower per pound of boost that you add to a vehicle. Now, going from a 3.5 pulley to a 2.75 pulley, we added right at 5 pounds of boost, which, if you do the math, from 832 on the 3.5 pulley to 959 on the 2.75, we went up 25.4 horsepower per pound of boost in the car. That's interesting to see. I've never really had a chance to put a car on the dyno and change pulleys on the same dyno and be able to see the horsepower jump and do the calculations, and it does come out to right at 25 horsepower. So there you go. Guys, really quick, I will show you a few more things about this car. This car is as much of a street car as you can get. Like we talked about earlier, it's got the Wilwood brakes front and rear, still all full interior leather, premium car. And if you come around here and look in here, it's even got a sound system in the car, guys. So this is a full-on street car that you might as well say is putting down 1,000 horsepower, because most dynos this car goes on, it's going to put down 1,000. This was on a Mustang dyno, loaded, SAE correction factors. But guys, this car is absolutely crazy. Crazy horsepower. The engine runs phenomenal. Daryl did a great job with the tune. The car just runs great, and I think the customer's going to be very happy. We will be delivering this car to the customer this weekend, so I think he's going to be pretty happy with the car, the way it turned out. I mean, this car, it even has coilovers all around. I mean, it's done nice, guys. It's a really nice car, and can't wait to let it get back to the customer and him start actually enjoying the car. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. Let me know down in the comments if you like seeing the shop car videos, and I will try to get you more out. As I do different stuff, I will bring you guys some installation videos and stuff like that. But as of right now, it's kind of been things that I have covered before, installing and things like that. So I don't want to bore you guys too much with that. So we just bring you the dyno footage and what the car puts down on different combinations, because it is interesting for me. I don't know about you guys, but it's interesting for me to see, because we use the same exact dyno. So it's interesting for me to see the differences between combinations on the same dyno. But we're gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.